Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to maths class. Now, everyone open studio page number 62. So, in the last class, we learned already tables up to 8. So, now in this class, we will learn table 9. I hope you all are completed the yesterday's homework. Okay, now everyone open page number 62, children. Multiplication table of 9. So here given dots on codes. Once you have to count the number of dots here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here totally how many codes here? 1 code, and in that totally 9 dots are there. That means one group of 9 is equal to 9. So now write in multiplication table 1 9's 9. And here two groups of 9. You have to skip count of 9 in 2 times. So 9 after you have to add 9. It's 18. Next here you have to count how many chords here? Totally 3 chords, means 3 groups of, and each chord has 9 dots. 3 groups of 9. Now you have to skip count of 9 in 3 times. 9 and 18. After you have to add 9 to number 18, it's 27. So that means you have to write in multiplication table 3 9s 27. Okay, children, 3 times of 9 is 27. Next, how many groups here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups of 9 is 36. Okay, you have to skip count of 9. You have to skip count of 9 in 4 times. So that means 4 times of 9 is 36. Okay, you have to do same like that. 5 groups of 9 is 45. 6 groups of 9 is 54. 7 groups of 9 is 63. And here you have to count how many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So totally 8 groups here, and each group has 8 dots. 8 groups of 9 is 72. Okay, children, you have to skip count of 8 in 9 times. You have to skip count of 9 in 8 times to get 72. So that means here 8 9's 72. Okay, children. Next, let us count how many groups here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 groups of 9 is 81. 9 times of 9 is 81. Okay, children, and here totally 10 groups of 9 is 90. You have to skip count of 9 in 10 times. So 9 tens is 90. You have to complete this table like this. Okay, children. So here you have to like 1 9's 9. Everyone say along with me. 1 9's 9. 2 times 9 is 18. 3 times 9 is 27. 4 times 9 is 36. 5 times 9 is 45. 6 times 9 is 54. 7 times 9 is 63. 8 times 9 is 72. 9 times 9 is 81. And 9 times 10 is 90. Now everyone open companion page number 25. Okay, children. 4a. Complete the multiplication statements. Use the codes given next to each statement to complete the sentence. Okay, here given multiplication statements and here given codes. So first you have to find the product of these two numbers. Okay, here given 5 6 30, and the code of 30 is E. Okay, now you have to find the product of 9 into 6. 9 times 6 is, we know that, 54. Okay, children, 9 times 6 is 54, and 3 times 6 is 18. You have to write the products like this. 7 times 6 is 42. Okay, everyone say the product of these two numbers. 2 6 12. You have to write like that. And 10 6 10 times 6 is 60. 6 times 6 is 36. 4 times 6 is 24. And 8 times 6 is 48. 1 times 6 is 6. Okay children, so these are the answers. So here given numbers, no, you have to use codes and write the letters here. So 18, you have to check where the 18 here. So here 18. So the code of 18 is T. You have to write the T here. Okay children. Next here given 42. You have to check the 42. What is the code for number 42? Yes, 760 is 42 and the code of 42 is H. So here you have to write H. Next 30. Where the 30 here? Here 30 is there. Yes. 5 times 6 is 30. So the code of 30 is E. You have to write E in here. Next 60. Where the 60 here? Yes, here. The code of 60 R. You have to write R here. Next 48. Yes, the code of 48 is O. Here you have to write these codes to get this sentence. Okay children. Next 24. Where the 24 here? Yes. 4 times 6 is 24. So the code of 24 is A. Next we are given number 54. So here 54 is there? Yes. D. So here now you have to check, we'll get the sentence. The road. Okay children. So these are the words. The and road. Now you have to write these two words in this sentence, in these blanks to get a full sentence. So first write the road. The road is full of traffic. Okay children. The road is full of traffic. So what we have to do here children? First you have to write complete the multiplication statements. Here given multiplication statements, you have to find the product. I said already what's the meaning of product. In the multiplication table, when you multiply two numbers, answer is called product. Okay, so here for these answers given code, you have to use codes to complete this table first and write these two words in this sentence to get a full sentence. Okay children, are you clear? Okay children, and here in the second one also given, second one is also the same. So you have to do this as homework. So same like that. First you have to find the products and next use codes to write the letters in these boxes to get the words. Okay children, you have to do this as homework. Okay children, so now everyone open studio page number 63. So observe 4.2. Write a few words that rhyme with a multiplication statement. Okay, you have to use multiplication statements with using of rhymes. 7 times 7 is 49. 49 rhymes with find. Okay, you have to use the multiplication statements to form one small rhyme. So for example here, now I will write one statement. You have to write one more rhymes with using of multiplication statement. For example, 5 times 9 is 45. Okay, 5 times 9 is 45 and 45 rhymes with fun. 45 rhymes with fun. Okay children, you have to write like that. Okay, next observe 4.3. Write the even numbers that fall between 1 and 20. Okay, do you know even numbers children? What are even numbers? So for example, so coming to the even numbers, if we take the object, if we arrange the object by grouping of pairs is called even numbers. Okay, if we arrange the object with making by pairs is called even numbers. For example, so how many chalk pieces are here? Pair means how many objects in that? Pair means two objects. For example, here I am taking two chalk pieces. So now here I make this two chalk pieces as one pair. Why? Because here two chalk pieces. So that means it is one pair. Next, I am taking three chalk pieces. Now you can arrange this as pair of chalk pieces, children. Now here two chalk pieces is one pair, but this is not a pair. Why? Because here only one chalk piece. That means number 2 is even number. Okay, number 2 is even number. The objects can be arranged by grouping of pairs is called even numbers. Here number 2 is even, and number 3 is not a even number. Why? Because this is not a pair. Here these two is one pair and this is only a single chalk piece. So number 3 is not a even number. And first one, 0 is even number. Write the even numbers that fall between 1 and 20, and 2 is also even number. So we know that 3 is not a even number and 1 is also not a even number. Now here I am taking 4 chalk pieces. Okay, so now I can make these 2 as one pair and these 2 as one pair. That means number 4 can be arranged by pairs. So 4 is even number. And now I am taking 5 chalk pieces. Here this 2 is one pair and this 2 is one pair. Here one chalk piece is left. So now you have to tell this is number 5 is even number or not, children? Yes, number 5 is not a even number. Why? Because we cannot arrange it by pairs. So 5 is not a even number and 6 is even number. And one more thing, so the numbers that are ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, these are called even numbers. Okay, children, the numbers that are ending with 0, 2, 6, 8 are called even numbers. So for example, here 7 is there. 7 is even number, children? No, 7 is not a even number. Okay, so now I will ask one question. 45 is even number, children? 45. So once you have to check the 45 is ending with 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, 45. So it is ending with 5. So that means this is not a even number. Okay. So the numbers are ending with these numbers only are called even numbers. And 24 is even number. Yes, 24. 24 is ending with 4. That means this is a even number. So next 8 after 10 and 11 is even number. No. 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay, here you have to write the even numbers between 1 to 20 only. Next, do these numbers form the product? So once you have to observe, children, here I written 0 already. 0 is also even number. But once you have to check here asking between 1 to 20. That means here no need to write 20. Okay, children. Here asking even numbers between 1 to 20. That means no need to write 0. So just I given example. I tell 0 is also even number. But don't write 0 here. Do these numbers form the products of any multiplication table? Once you have to check 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So you have to see these numbers in any multiplication table, children? Yes, of course. So if yes, which multiplication table it forms? 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 10. So we can see these all numbers in the table 2. So we have to write here 2 table. Okay, we have seen these numbers in table 2. So all even numbers form the multiplication table of 2. Okay, all even numbers form the multiplication table of 2. Yes, these numbers are in the multiplication table of 2. Okay children, so next everyone open page number 64. Observe two examples. Example 1. So once you have to count how many groups are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Totally 6 groups and each group having 4 erasers. So here 6 group of 4 erasers means 6 times 4 is 24. So when coming to the second one, so here total how many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 groups of, and each group has 6 erasers. 4 groups of 6 erasers is equal to 24. So what do you notice about the answers of 2 examples? Okay, what do you notice about the answers of the 2 examples children? Here, so the answer of example 1 is 24 and the answer of example 2 is also 24. Okay, so the answers of example 1 and example 2 is same. Why the answers of example 1 and example 2 is same children? Once you have to observe here 6 groups of 4 erasers and here 4 groups of 6 erasers means 6 into 4 and 4 into 6. Once you have to check here the numbers are same but arranged in different order. Here first 6 into 4 and here 4 into 6. So changing the order of numbers while multiplying does not change the product. Okay, in multiplication problem the order of numbers change but product is not changed. Okay, so 6 4 is 24 and 4 6 is also 24, and in same way 3 4 is 12. Okay, 3 times 4 is 12 and 4 times 3 is 12. Here the numbers are same but arranged in different order. Here first multiplied 3 and here first multiplied 4. Okay children, so here you have to remember this point. Changing the order of numbers while multiplying does not change the product. Okay, and one more example, 2 4 is 8 and 4 times 2 is also 8. Okay children, so now can anyone tell the another example like this? 5 7s are 35 and 7 5s is also 35. Okay, now everyone open companion page number 27. Observe 4b. Be a number detective. Find the unknown number for each statement. Okay children, so here we have to find the unknown number for each statement. So first you have to read the first question. This number multiplied by itself is 25. So this number multiplied by itself is 25. So once you have to check children which two numbers are multiplied to get 25 and the two numbers are same. So once you have to think which number is multiplied by itself to get 25. So 5 times 5 is 25. No, here the number 5 is multiplied by itself. So the answer is 5. 5 times 5 is 25. No, so which number it is? Number 5. Second one, this number multiplied by 7 gives 21. Okay, so you have to think which number is multiplied by 7. It's give 21 children. Which number multiplied by 7 it's give 21? 2 multiplied by 7 it gives 21? No. Now go to 3. 3 multiplies by 7 it gives 21? Yes. 3 times 7 is 21. So here the answer is 3. Third one. This number multiplied by 8 gives 56. You have to think which number is multiplied by 8. It gives 56 children. 2 8s 16, 3 8s 24, 4 8s 32, 5 8s 40. So these are not a correct answers. And 6, 7. 7 times 8 is 7 8s are 56. So the number is 7. If you multiply these two numbers to get 56, multiply these two to get 21. 7 8s are 56. Next, this number multiplied by 6 give 54. You have to check which number is multiplied by 6 to get 54. And fifth one, this number multiplied by 10 gives 20. So you have to think which number is multiplied by 10 to get 20. Okay, you have to do this too as homework. Okay children, are you clear? Here you have to check which numbers are multiplied by these numbers to get the product given, to get the given answers. You have to write the answers in this blank. Okay children, so this is about today's class. So in this class we learn the table 9 and use codes to retain the numbers. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. You have to do the given homework children. So what is your homework? In companion, page number 26, 4A, second one, and 4B, 4 and 5. You have to do this homework and send to me. Thank you.